Hello, beautiful people. I bought a carbon fiber front car bumper lip splitter, so I thought I will make a video of it, a video review. So let's get into it. So this is the product I got. It's in the box, Samurai, and I ordered from here on October 12th, and I received on October 26th. It was 24.80 Canadian dollar. So let's get into it. So this is the carbon fiber I got, and you can see the material here. It's plastic. It's really heavy, so it's good quality stuff. And it have screws, so if you want to secure it more, so this is just the wipe. And what else? It have this instruction, but they are in Chinese here. And then there's the sticker. It says Samurai, so you can just put on top of this if you like. So yeah, this is the material, and let's go outside and put it on the car. So this is what it looks like before I put the carbon fiber lip sticker. This is here, and we will check it after I install it. First of all, don't litter, so get all these things. So this is what it looks like. I think it does give a sporty look. I like it. Well, let me know, what do you think? Here's the screw.